Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials in place and starting the first tasks immediately. First, confirm zoning and tax basics, then order your initial foil stock and a simple cutter. Once ordered, set up a clean bench, install the label printer, and calibrate the scale. This reduces rework. Make sure to map product SKUs so you can track inventory from the first sale. By taking these actions now, you turn preparation into immediate momentum. You continue by building a small production flow and setting prices that cover costs. Organize a 3-step line, cut to size, weigh per unit, and package with labels. This keeps quality steady. Next, calculate price as cost plus a 40% margin so shipping and fees are covered. Meanwhile, produce 2 clear photos and a 60-second listing template you can reuse. This speeds listings and reduces decision friction. Once done, test one full order through the process. You finish by launching and managing early orders to validate the system. Publish 1 listing, message 10 contacts, and accept orders. Fulfill them within 48 hours to build trust. Track fulfillment time and customer feedback, then adjust packing or labeling as needed. If something breaks, late shipments or wrong sizes, replicate the error, isolate which step caused it, and update the standard operating procedure before more orders. That way you close the loop and scale reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.